Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD, it's usual, and the confusion continues. So big up, big down, big up, big down, and that's on the 8 hour. Could be finding some structure here, but just looking at everything, you can see FOMC, everybody's happy. Always going to come back to close the gap, came back to close the gap pretty much immediately, and now we're swinging above and below the moving averages. So that for me is danger. Not interested in trading that. We will keep money in pocket. US dollar, Japanese yen also sideways between a number of levels here. Nothing more to say on that. So there's no reason to be even looking at this. That is sideways. Just going to burn you, not trading that either. British pound, Japanese yen, looks like we have got a break of structure. Have a look at this on the 1 hour. Messy break of structure, and you can see how we're floating inside the moving averages here. At a glance, just look to the left, look at the ranging at a price action here, so up and down, up and down, up and down. I think this to me is probably going to be one for London breakouts. It's probably well worth keeping an eye on it with a view for a break to the downside. So we've got a bit of a channel here, but we've broken messy retest. We're forming a range now. We're below the moving averages. We're bouncing on the 155. So a break and retest of 151.464 may very well get some momentum to the downside. I think that's probably the only one that I can see at the moment, and that's kind of a 50-50 trade. So not sure I'd want to be taking that either. Aussie dollar, US dollar. We're sideways on the 8 hour. Does look like we're forming some structure here. So low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So it does look like we're forming some structure here, and you do have a head and shoulders, or inverse head and shoulders. So there is shoulder, head, shoulder, and it's looking like another shoulder, or it'll be a cup and handle. So does look like there's something brewing, but we'll pick this up on the hour. And again, you look to the left, sideways, nice breakout, right back into it. So this breakout could be structure. I think by the looks of things, we'll wait for that to break. So of the dollar pairs, this is the only one that I can see any sort of structure here. Looking like an opportunity to get in long, and that is going to be for a measured move. However, there is a gap down here which is not closed, so I'll take it with a pinch of salt. So I think I'd feel a lot more comfortable with this gap closing here, back down, but then we back in the sideways price action. So yeah, for me, sit on hands, not really worried, interested in this. That gap is an issue. You may find a break retest, but the chances of it turning into a range or into a channel like that are far greater than actual breakout of that flag. So this, and purely because we've gone past the 61.8 Fibonacci, and we're pretty close to the bottom of this trading range. So yeah, I suspect that will close, and then we'll probably just keep going sideways. So I'm staying out of that. Euro British pound, sideways, no real price action here worth looking at. You can see that on the 8 hour immediately, and if we look at it on the 1 hour, we are rejecting moving averages. We did hit this measured move yesterday of 0.85354 after quite a long time, but yeah, I'm not 100% convinced either way. We are sideways, we slap bang on the middle of the range. No real opportunities there either. British pound, New Zealand dollar, we are still ranging, and this is one that I'm definitely want to get off my portfolio right now. So I suspect we more than likely move to the downside. Don't really want to short that because we are above the moving averages, So I'd rather wait to see if we find structure on the moving averages here and then start bouncing to the top, go for a long. Otherwise, I'm waiting for a break below the moving averages and a retest of them, which probably won't happen. You'll probably get a break all the way through and just keep ranging. So for as long as it ranges, I'm not interested in it. Okay, anyway guys, that's me for today. Not much happening. I don't think there's going to be much opportunities today. Also being a Friday, we'll have to see, but I think we need to just be patient and wait for some setups. And they will come. They will come. Anyway, enjoy the weekend, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.